Di ko alam saan sisimulan kapag pa binitawan, makakalimutan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ng kahit konting oras para magpaalam. Sana maintindihan. Di ko pa yata kayang hindi ka na makita pagising sa umaga. Ikaw lang naman ang hanap, ikaw lang ang pinangarap noon. Paano na ngayon? Paano tanggaping wala ka na? Paano at saan magsisimula? Kung nasan ka man, sana mapakinggan ang aking panalangin na ika'y mahagkan ng kahit saglit, ng ilang sandali. O saan kukuha ng lakas kung ikaw ang dahilan? Di ko maintindihan. Di ko pa yata kaya hindi ka na makita pagising sa umaga. Ikaw lang naman ang hanap, ikaw lang ang pinangarap noon. Paano na ngayon? Paano tanggaping wala ka na? Paano at saan magsisimula? Babangon sa umaga, hindi ko pa man makuha, mahahanap rin ang kalma. Tulad nung nandito ka pa, hindi napipigilan ang luha sa bawat oras na maisip ka. Hindi mawawala ng pag-asa sa pagitan ng wakas at ng simula.
Masasayang mga araw kinakasama kita. Paglalambing at ulit mo na hindi nakakasawa. Punong-puno ng ligaya ang ating pagsasama, na parang wala nang sisira ng lahat. Bakit ba dumating ang oras na ito? Nabalitaan ko na wala ka na.
Di ba't sabi mo hindi mo ko iiwan? Di pa ba bayan na ako'y mag-isa? Di ba't sabi mo sabay tayong tatanda? Bakit bigla ka na lang nandyan
Sa kabilang buwan, paano na lang, paano na ako, tayo? Di ba't sinabi mo sa'kin na sabay tayo mangangarap? Bakit bigla kang lumisan nang
Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly. Wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking back. Wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found the place, would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to wake, and with so much love to make. I think we're gone. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear I've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who you listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know.
can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you.